3. From this evening to Wednesday afternoon. At 8 p.m. Sunday, the stage was 41.4 feet. Flood stage is 42.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early tomorrow afternoon to a crest of 43.1 feet Tuesday morning.
Okay, fine.
It will then fall below flood stage early Wednesday morning. Impact at 42.0 feet. Water levels will top the navigational lock and equipment must be removed. Minor flooding will occur on land adjacent to the east bank of the river.
Wait. That thing will shut up. I got this.
Because, again, you were the bipolar guy, and I'm guessing you got a couple of bucks in the bank. Everything's going great. You employ a bunch of people in Minnesota. You're an all-American guy with an all-American company. Why on God's green earth? And this is the first thing people want to know. Would you dare put all this?
It was clear with a temperature of 40 at Elizabethtown, 41 at Jacksonville, and 42 at Myrtle Beach.
Percent proof, not 99.99,
Marine
that our
observations
country
within
was
the last
attacked,
2
and we
hours
got
as
all
of
these
8 p.m.
folks from
Eastern
foreign
Standard
countries
Time.
went through these machines and did this to our country. And when the evidence came out, I found out January 9th.
Okay.
So if I did nothing, I couldn't live
So-
with myself.
Yeah.
And
I
so
am currently
I'm getting
waiting
it out
for-
there, and now
Are they gonna
everybody's
relay
going
it?
to
They
see
should relay
part
the
of what I've seen. I mean, there's what's in this absolute proof
Come on,
is we
wait
have
for
tens
it.
of
Come on,
thousands
I
of
gotta
these
do
cyber.
it. Let's try it on FM. Okay, now they're playing music. Don't want to get copyrighted.
Dogs for now, said the pitch man. He spooled out a
Okay, I don't think you're gonna do it.
And by the time I get
You
done,
both
I'm gonna watch
did.
the rest of it later on. Maybe I'll prove to be wrong, but I know that our attention span in America and on
They're
social
probably
media
not
and
gonna
online
relate to
especially is very short.